Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to connect a wired mouse with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we need a OTG adapter, and you can see here I'm using Protonix M.port V3 and connected with my charging cable here. So in this device only work with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra after connecting the charger. So we need to connect the charger, and you can see here this is a type C USB, and we are connecting that type C USB with our mobile. After connecting, we can see here it is charging. Okay, charging, and it is fast charging. So after that, we connecting this mouse. You can see here we are connecting this mouse with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to any port. Okay, we are connected. Then you can see here mouse symbol is appeared, and we can simply use your wired mouse with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and there is multiple port like two USB device connecting port, and there is VGA port, RJ45 LAN cable, and also HDMI port, and there is card reader. So this thing is much useful for you if you are converting your mobile to a desktop. So that's guys simple video. In this way you can easily connect a wired mouse with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.